Hello, my name is Ranketh Gunawardena. I am a first year O-level student studying at Ethos Academy, preparing for Cambridge O-level 2022. Prior to Ethos, I was studying in Malaysia, but unfortunately I had to come back to Sri Lanka due to the current global pandemic. I first heard about Ethos Academy from my mother's friend. I went to meet Ms. Chaudhary, the principal of the academy, with my father. She warmly welcomed me to the academy. I made a lot of good friends and even greater memories at the academy. At Ethos Academy, the teachers are very friendly and supportive. The students are provided with all the necessary materials for their lessons, and the small group classes enable us to have more direct interaction with the tutors. I just finished my examination at Ethos and I feel more confident in my subject areas. I'm happy to be part of Ethos Academy, and I would like to invite students who want to complete their London examinations as private candidates to join us.
Hi, we warmly welcome you to Ethos Academy. After several successful intakes of students to our range of study programs, we are now ready to welcome students to our January intake. We provide full-time study courses for both Edexcel and Cambridge examinations, in addition to tuition provided from grade 6 to advanced level. We welcome students who wish to commence their O-level and A-level studies after the completion of October-November exam series, as well as students who have completed their local advanced level examination. We provide a range of subjects to choose from, and our students are regularly evaluated in order to support their academic progress. Contact us via the numbers provided, or you can register online via our website www.ethoseducation.lk. Ethos Academy, today's education for tomorrow.